You know, the fun of custom work is the fact that every job's different. We don't do the same thing over and over and over again. Every job we do is different. Problem with that.
Hey, this is Brandon Cobble with Coastal Woodworking and Concrete Design, and today we are going to build a linear fire pit for a customer out on the island. Stick around to the end of the video to see us light this thing up on the canal and watch how we turn a basic fire pit into a modern work of art. As with any concrete build, first you have to build a cast, and we build ours out of melamine. Now, because our fire pit will end up at only about an inch thick and it has no bottom, we're building it upside down as well. And this is what it looks like when it's done. These outer supports are so the concrete doesn't push the edges out during the pour. Now, I did spare you watching us mix the concrete, but if you look in the top right hand corner, there's a short video that'll demonstrate, quickly I might add, because this process takes hours, but it'll show you basically how it's done. That being said, this is after the pour, and we have to cover it up for about 24 to 48 hours to let it cure. Now this is a tricky situation. Remember when I told you we poured this thing upside down earlier? Well, now we have to flip it over to be taken out of the cast. So this is the super scientific, technical, correct way we use to accomplish this task. Mind you, this thing weighs between 500 and 600 pounds plus the melamine, so around 700 pounds, and we did not want to break it, so we, despite how it looks, tried to be super careful. And there it is, out of the cast. Man, this thing was beautiful already. Now we have to start the time-consuming task of slurrying. This is just where we fill most, but not all of the holes in the final product to make it look and feel smooth. What you don't see is the grinding, which we left out of the video because that would have made it like an hour long and you wouldn't have stuck around to watch it. But after this, the process is to grind it, smooth it out, so we can actually seal the pit for outside use. So delivery day is finally here. And now we have to get it from the shop to the customer's house. We built a special dolly to transport it and support all the weight. All we have to do now is get it off the dolly and safely to the ground. Needless to say, we got a leg day whether we wanted it or not.
right, guys, we are here today at the job site where we're installing our linear fire pit. We got the plumbers here, we got the electricians here, we got everybody here getting their parts installed. Let's go check out what all we got going on. This is a beautiful property. This is actually an absolute gorgeous house. It's right here on one of the main canals that feeds out to the Laguna Madre. And these people have really done a great job. Beautiful, beautiful place. Let's go see what all our guys are up to. See, we got everybody here getting the electrical hooked up, getting our power hooked up, getting everything ready to roll. The property sits on this beautiful, beautiful canal. Feeds right out to Laguna Madre. So we'll have more information for you. We're getting everything lined out, getting all of our stuff done. Check out the rest of the video.
I want to take a minute to shout out to the local companies who made this job possible. Dwayne McCain Plumbing did an awesome job at running all the gas lines to the pit and making everything look super professional. Also, big call out to Reese at Your Electric Company Inc. on taking care of all the timers and the safety stops and more. They did a fantastic job as well. Thanks, guys, and now back to the video.
All right, so what did we get done doing here?
We finished running the gas from the meter all the way down the bulkhead to this fire pit here. Fixing to make the final connection, turn it on, and see what happens.
Let's light this candle.
the first of many linear pits out here on the canal in Padre Island, installed by Coastal Woodworking and Concrete Design. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to see our next 11-foot long linear water wall with fire. Yeah, 11-foot long water wall with fire, and they're also adding 6 fire bowls as well. It's going to be a crazy video. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one.